Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's mine. About to eat a little baby ass mango for y'all real quick. But let me give you a couple examples real quick of how you can get fucked up out here. Cause it's like, like, you might get told like, oh, smoking weed is the worst thing in the world. You can't be smoking weed. But the reason for that would be like lung and like brain health, right? That's what people be worried about with weed is lung and your brain health when they say, oh, weed can be bad for you. But then they don't got no problem walking outside while a car driving by breathing exhaust. They got no problem looking at their cell phone all day. They got no problem sitting inside of a motherfucking concrete box with recycled air all day. AC, that shit tastes nasty. I don't be fucking with AC. Every time I'm in the car, somebody turn the AC on, you can taste the fucking bullshit ass air. And it make your nose dry and your throat hurt and shit. Man, that shit is absorbing moisture from your body. Breathing that shit in. Talking about, I don't want to lose brain cells. What the fuck? Weed is nowhere near the worst thing you could ever be breathing in. Weed to actually fuck around clean your lungs of some of that goddamn car exhaust. And recycled ass air you be breathing in all the time. Along with the chemtrail chemicals and all the shit they spraying in the air. Acting like I'm saying. You'll just hear some shit. You'll hear some shit and it'll sound good. And it'll be like, yeah, that's gonna be bad for me. Oh, weed. Everybody's saying, oh, a lot of people saying that. Okay. Yeah. But let's think objectively about everything. Just like another thing these motherfuckers can get you fucked up on. With the whole white people. Yeah. White people fucking fucked shit up. That's a fact. But, and they still do. It's a fact. It's just in them. But bruh, all these motherfuckers is not out here trying to fuck you up. Like literally, you could be sitting listening to one of these spiritual motherfuckers talking about, oh, fuck all these white motherfuckers. These goddamn, you know what I'm saying, artificial motherfuckers. Alright, yeah. But on your everyday life, if you walking around, every motherfucking white motherfucker you see, you sitting there treating them like an asshole off rip before they even give you a reason to treat them like an asshole, you might be that white motherfucker might want to been like help you out, like give you some shit that day. Like they be doing that. Like I be running white people, they be nice as shit to me. Like they know. Like let me help you. Like bruh, you be blocking blessings out here. It's like yeah, they did you wrong. It's some shit that happened. The scales is way off balance. It's like, oh, some shit gotta give. It's some shit about to go down. These motherfuckers can feel that. They know. So if you sitting there walking around like, nah, nigga, I don't want your apology. You could be getting, you could be, you know what I'm saying? I ain't saying you gotta like, I'm just saying, treat everybody with respect until they give you a reason not to. You can know what's going on. You can know who they is. All that. But don't be letting nobody make you feel like you don't want to be around motherfuckers and you want to be sitting there talking to motherfuckers any kind of way. That type of shit can fuck you up. So you gotta think objectively. What did a motherfucker do to you? Now, if you see a congressman or like somehow catch the president lacking or like one of these elite corrupt motherfuckers, you might pop it off on one of them niggas. Like a Bill Gates and shit. Might have to pop off on his ass. But, you know what I'm saying? And even that, what if Bill Gates ain't even really like, and fucking Elon Musk, what if they not even really like the bad niggas? Like, what if they not even like, I don't know. But you get where I'm going. Nothing objectively about that shit. And also, I want to talk about lungs. Some people talking about the weed thing. Motherfuckers be like, think about this. Cause me personally, I hit a J, right? I hit a split after I get done eating and shit. And like, well, no. First off, I take you here. I be eating, and I be eating like hella herbs and garlics and gingers and shit. You eat that shit, all the spices, that shit loosen up your sinuses, like your nose will start running, your motherfucking, you'll be able to, damn, calm down. You'll be starting to, you can cough some shit up real quick and it'll be real loose. Sometimes a motherfucker will be sitting there like I've heard motherfuckers say it to me before, like damn, like, you know what I'm saying? You sound congested. And I mean, I'd be coughing some shit up. I'd be like, huh. But it's the killer, right? I got shit moving up out of me. Alright? The fact that you not coughing some shit up after you eat some fucking herbs that's supposed to help you cough some shit up means you kinda got some shit still stuck in there, Slim. Your shit ain't moving. Why? Why is that? Then I go smoke. Take a breath. And then I can feel like, it's like, hold on, something in there moving. Like, hold on. Then I exhale that shit out. And then coughing shit out. Be cleaning my lungs all day. So how the fuck could I be having some shit accumulating in my shit when I always got shit coming out? You know what I'm saying? If you never coughing shit up all this time, you think ain't shit in there? You eating and breathing fucking car fuels or like exhaust. Like, you think weed creates a residue on your lung? Nigga, what about walking into the store breathing everybody else's breath that's in that motherfucker? Every time you in the house, every time you in a car, enclosed space with a whole bunch of people, y'all in there sharing breath like a bitch, boy. What you mean? And you talking about accumulation of phlegm in your lungs? Nigga, you need to hit some weed, clean your shit out, get something else in there that's, I'm just saying, we gotta think objectively. With an objective. To actually think. You get me? I might have had to grab another mango. That was a little baby joint. Little baby. Little baby. Hey. So, yeah, though, like, I'm trying to tell you, I'm about to flood this bit today. You don't even know. I've been building it up too. Every day I be sitting there like, oh, I can make a video about this. I can make a video about this. But I never do it. Like I said, that's the thing. Cause like, I be like the video I just made about like how you don't need nobody. You can go get that shit on your own. And also, remember how it said the video about like, alright. I was making a video about how one conversation with one person can benefit a lot of people. Like, if you just combat that energy in the thought realm, it can affect the power of that thought. You know what I'm saying? Like, just like if you encounter a motherfucker and beat his ass, then he gonna walk up to the next motherfucker, ass already beat. So it's not gonna be hard for the next motherfucker to beat his ass, cause you already beat. Anyway, like, when I'm sitting here every day, I'm doing a lot of fucking self-work and a whole bunch of shit, having hella ideas and tapping into certain thoughts and maneuvering through these thoughts and morphing these thoughts and shit like that. And fucking, I don't need to, like I said, I've said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. Like, I can be doing that, and it'll be, if you are working on yourself as well, you will find your way to the same frequency that I'm on. We will be sitting there sharing thoughts, tag teaming thoughts, tag teaming ideas, making babies, having sex and shit. You know what I'm saying? On some real shit. Without me making no video, and that's real tapping in shit. That's the type of shit that, we supposed to be doing. That's the actual fucking, that's the whole reason, like, this shit is like a big brain, bro. Like, or a big thought process. Life. It's like a big thought process. And then an action process on that thought. And then a consequence for that thought. And then a response. And then the next thought. It's like, it's a cycle. It's all a fucking thought process. Literally. From the source. It's like the source of the brain. It's like, oh, I have a thought. Boom. And it's like, oh, you got the thought. You got energy from the thought. And then you got a sound from the thought. Like, oh, and then you got fucking a physical thing from the thought. And you got that action playing out of that thought. Like, of what this is right now. It's like, anyway, the thoughts is out here, and that's what I'm saying. Like, I be like, a lot of videos I make today, watch, I guarantee you past couple days you probably been thinking about some of the same topics if you've been on your shit. And let me know in the comments, you know what I'm saying? Don't be just making shit up. If you was really thinking about it, let me know. Don't just be like, oh yeah, I think I was thinking about that. Nah, nigga. Where that other mango, bro? Hold on, I'm gonna eat that in the next video. I might give y'all a log update today too. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.